Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are having a great day. Today, I'm making pumpkin cornbread. This delicious and amazing pumpkin cornbread has no oil or milk. I'm excited to show you how I make this pumpkin cornbread, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. Before we begin making this delicious pumpkin cornbread, butter a 9x9 baking pan. Place that to the side. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of cornmeal. I'm using a whisk to incorporate the ingredients. Okay, to this add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Mix. Okay, and place this to the side. Now for the wet ingredients. In a medium bowl, I've beaten 1 room temperature egg. To the egg, add 1 15-ounce can of creamed corn. Then ½ cup of pumpkin puree. And 5 tablespoons melted butter. This is unsalted melted butter. Combine the ingredients well. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Stir well until combined. Now pour the mixture into buttered baking dish. Spread as evenly as possible. Now place this in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Now, if you find that the pumpkin cornbread is getting too browned, put a sheet of aluminum foil over it for the remainder of baking time. The pumpkin cornbread baked for exactly 25 minutes at 400 degrees. It smells amazing, and the toothpick came out clean. It smells so good, guys. I wish you can be here to see. Let the pumpkin cornbread rest for about 5 minutes before cutting into it. At the end of this video, I mentioned that the cornbread doesn't have a pumpkin flavor, but as it cools, you could taste the pumpkin. It's moist, slightly sweet, and doesn't lack any flavor. If you've been searching for a delicious pumpkin cornbread that doesn't contain milk or oil, then your search is over. All right, I have my piece of pumpkin cornbread, and I put lots of butter on top. Wow. It looks so good. Wow. This is so good. Guys, you need to try this. You are going to love this pumpkin cornbread. It is absolutely delicious. It's so good. It's packed with flavor. And that pumpkin doesn't really taste like pumpkin, but it gives it nutritional value. It's so good. It's amazing. Guys, don't buy cornbread at the store. Make it at home. If you can make it at home, make it homemade. Absolutely delicious. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up and comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, so you won't miss out on any of our future simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.